Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define document number ranges for our company code. So mainly whenever we post the document, accounting document in SAP, system generates one document number, unique document number. So mainly documents are defined numerically with internal assignment. However, there might be some exceptions. You can create number ranges internal dependent of the fiscal year. This is the best practice in SAP. In this case, this is one of the end of year activities a company needs to do to start posting in the new fiscal year. So let's try here. We can use transaction code FBN1. Here you can see the screen, or else we can go to SAP path, go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Then go to financial accounting global settings. Then go to document, click on document number ranges here. Now click here, define document number ranges. Enter your company code here. Then click on change intervals here. Click on plus sign. I have already updated the document number in my Excel file, so I'll simply copy from here and I'll paste it over there in SAP. So first I need to adjust the lines here. So I'll copy from 48, 0 to 48, paste here, press enter. Again click on plus sign to adjust more number ranges here. I have copied till 48, I think so. Yes, and I'll copy the next number ranges. Press enter, then click on save, click on continue here. Now you can see we have created the document number ranges for the fiscal year 2025. So in next video, I will show you like how to copy these number ranges to the next fiscal year. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.